Hi friend, how are you? Not bad at all. What about you? Fine. Well, can you tell me about the importance of education in the development of a nation? Why not? Education is very important for overall development of a nation. Without education we cannot go ahead. Can you show any ground? Actually, education widens our outlook and orientation. It broadens our mind and mentality. It refines our sense and sensibility. It helps us show how to earn and spend. Right you are. We can earn our bread and butter and play a significant role in our national economy if we take education. Yeah, I agree with you. An educated person is not a burden to his family as well as country. Rather, he tries his best to remove the burdensome conditions of his family as well as country. In fact, we can stand upright and create co-education all over the world if we take education. Therefore, every one of us should take education.